Unlock the full potential of AI-powered creativity by mastering the diverse modes within RunwayML. RunwayML isn't just one tool, it's a suite of powerful AI functionalities, and understanding its different modes is key to leveraging its capabilities for anything from content creation to complex data manipulation. Let's dive into the generation modes. These are your go-to tools for creating entirely new visual content from scratch. Think of generating images from text prompts, turning a simple description into a stunning visual masterpiece, or perhaps you want to animate a static image, bringing it to life with subtle movements. This mode is incredibly versatile. Artists can explore new visual styles, designers can quickly mock up concepts, and content creators can generate unique assets for their projects without needing to be expert visual artists themselves. Next, we have the editing and transformation modes. This is where you refine and alter existing media. Imagine removing unwanted objects from your photos seamlessly, or perhaps changing the background of a video clip with remarkable ease. You can also explore style transfer, applying the artistic flair of one image to another. This powerful suite of tools empowers anyone to become a visual editor. Enhance your photography, clean up your video footage, and experiment with artistic effects that would have previously required complex software and extensive training. Finally, let's explore the understanding and analysis modes. These are for those who want to derive insights from their data. You can use these tools for tasks like object detection, identifying and pinpointing specific items within an image or video, or perhaps you need to generate captions for your visuals, automatically describing what's happening. This mode is invaluable for researchers analyzing data sets, developers building intelligent systems, and anyone looking to automate the process of understanding and categorizing visual information. By understanding these distinct modes in RunwayML, you're equipping yourself with a diverse set of AI capabilities to innovate and create like never before.